What if the secret to incredible marinades is not exotic ingredients, but knowing how to unlock maximum flavor with what you already have? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing 3 incredibly fast and easy vegetarian marinades which will change your meal prep game forever. We have a classic herb and garlic marinade with an umami twist, a tandoori yogurt marinade, and a chipotle marinade. So, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. First, we have this classic herb and garlic marinade, and this works great on tofu or paneer or even cauliflower steaks and any other vegetables. And the secret ingredient is soy sauce, which adds this incredible savory depth. I've added in nutritional yeast as well, but you can totally skip it. You can marinate it for at least 30 minutes, but overnight is golden. For cooking, pat your tofu dry first and then cut it in thin slices so it absorbs the flavor like a sponge. The acid will break down the proteins while the oil carries all the flavors. You can either pan fry it or you can bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway, and it's ready to go in your sandwiches and wraps. Next, we're bringing an Indian vibe with this tandoori yogurt marinade, and Greek yogurt is thicker so it clings better to the protein. Add all your spices to the yogurt. Secret tip is to add some smoked paprika for that smoky tandoori flavor, especially if you don't have a gas stove like me. Along with the other ingredients and the blended cilantro mint chutney, you can let this marinate for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. And this marinade would work incredible on paneer, cauliflower, and other vegetables like mushrooms as well. You can make skewers out of these and you can eat it like with wraps or rotis, whatever you prefer. Okay, this final one is literally my favorite for burrito bowls. All you need to do is add all the ingredients to the jar, shake to mix, and pour it over your crumbled tofu. Now, pineapple juice here adds this incredible tropical twist, and you would love this, so do not skip this. Crumbling tofu gives it like maximum surface area for flavor, and cooking it on a pan till it's saucy makes it so good and delicious. Now you can assemble your burrito bowl and it's ready to be meal prepped, or you can eat it right away. And there you have it. 3 marinades, and endless possibilities. The herb garlic one works on pretty much everything. The tandoori one gives it like an Indian vibe, and the chipotle one gives it a smoky kick. If you want the full recipe, it's in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.